I'm Dylan. This is Master Mechanic Copper, and we're working on a Mitsubishi BD2G Bulldozer. As you can see, it's not in the best shape right now. I got this machine, it's running, but the sheet metal's off, the roll cage is off. I have all those parts. It's got some undercarriage problems to it, and it's got some issues with oil getting into the dry clutch on the left side. So we've got a few major things to work on here. First things we're going to start with is in the undercarriage. There's at least two bottom rollers that are all wallered out. There's a front idler that's really bad. We've got the spring section of the track tensioner on this side. The cap's blown off of it. So we got to address some of these problems and get it back up and running. The clutch still works, but there's oil getting into the case, so we'll have to determine whether it's coming in through the cylinder that disengages the clutch or whether it's coming out of the gearbox. I'd like to make a few videos following our way through here, but today we're going to do a quick walk around, tell you what we're up to, and if you like it, subscribe or like this. This machine's got the pyramid tracks on it. As you can see, there's no winch. We might be changing that. Seat could be replaced for sure. This side's doing a little better, but the sheet metal's off. Floor's off as well. I think I have all those parts. They came in a pile. It's got a 6-way blade. There's a couple cracks in the frame we'll have to work on. Good cutting edge. And around on the left side is where the undercarriage is real bad. You can see this front idler. That's pretty bad. Shouldn't be any wiggle in that at all. I started taking the rolls out already. It'll be a fun project.